Hey guys, how's it going? So today we're going to learn about Google Slides, a tutorial of that, just going through the basics of the program so we know what we're doing in class. So basically when you put in Google Slides for the website, it's going to go to the screen automatically. So basically you want to go to Google Slides, so I clicked that. It brought me over to this screen, which I think it might ask you to log in or start a new account, which you have to put your basic information like your email and a password, simple as that. Um, and then it gets you to this page. So when getting to this page, basically it shows your past projects that you had and also like other things you can do, a wedding, portfolio, photo album, stuff like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit this icon, the blank, and it's going to bring you to this new screen of, well, it's still downloading, but it's going to take you to a new PowerPoint. So basically, it has easy editing skills. If you want to edit a title or something, you just click the box and then you repeat it, or not repeat it, you delete it, and then you put what you want. And if you're going to do a title screen, when it says click add subtitle, what you want to do is put your name down here. Some simple stuff. So then you got your title and you got your subtitle with your name. So what you are going to want to do after that is, give it a theme. So what I like to do is I like to give mine a theme at first so I get more excited or more motivated, I would say, to the rest of my project. Because right now it just really looks plain and you don't want to plain projects because it's not fun to work with. So it takes a while to load. That's simple. But there's other stuff here to your guys' style, and we're just gonna pick one. I just need to stop being picky. So we'll just go with this one, I guess. So simple as that. So when you're done at looking at when your project when you're done, like your title screen, what you're gonna do is if you want to add another slide, you're gonna go over to this little plus button. It's a little shortcut, and you just click that. So you want to edit something, just click the box, replace the title, and the same goes for this one. Um, Now, when you want to personalize your project, put some like graphs and pictures, what you're going to want to do is go to insert. So insert, you have all this stuff, word art, line, shape, table, animation, video, simple stuff like that. So if you want to say, let's put an image down in there, you can either go to your uploads and have already some pictures you want to like put into your project that you have saved on your computer, or you can like go through, take a snapshot, do it by a website, your albums, Google Drive. What else is good is the search bar. So it's easy to obtain photo, and they find the photos already licensed, so you don't have to worry about it. So let's say we're looking for apples. So let's type apples, and there you go. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna basically copy it or press select, and then it's gonna copy and paste it for you. But it might come out really big, yeah. So you also have to keep in mind what pictures you're downloading, the background, and if it's gonna fit with your project, because details matter and every detail counts with a project. So basically, you got your first slide. We could just call this apples for the slide. Gotta make sure that's capitalized. So then you basically, type your information, and then looking at the little stuff, this is where you're gonna find um, most of your files. You can open up files, make a new file, copy or import slides, all this stuff. You can email as an attachment. Really quick step things to publishing your presentation to someone. Uh, Edit is the undo button and the redo button. You also have your cut, copy, paste, and delete and duplicate. All the simple functions you need to do to edit your pictures a little bit. The view is talking about how you want to look at your project, or if you want to zoom out, zoom in, stuff like that. Censor it, zoom, HTML, can't say it, HTML view. So we're gonna go. We already talked about insert slides, talking about making new slides, deleting slides, change the background, apply layout, change theme. Basically editing your slides a little bit, and then you could also do next slide and previous slide. So go to format. This is talking about your words in the project. So you can make it bold, italic, underline, strike through, superscript, subscript, font size, all the stuff you need to edit for your font formatting with your words. Arrangement is talking about the order, center on the page, rotate, all that simple stuff. Tools, this is the simple stuff that help you basically with spelling. There's a dictionary. You can explore more about the topic. Like speaker notes, so you don't really have to type. You can speak your notes out, which I find that helpful. Table, this is an uncertainty table, so you can put information into your PowerPoint if you need to. Help, this is going to basically tell you what's copywriting, report a problem, helping with slides if you need help, and then keyboard shortcuts. And so then here you got most of your editing stuff, the shortcuts to the background, layout, theme, transition, the undo button and the redo button, zoom in. So your simple shortcuts right here that we found in some of these. So what you're going to do is when you're done with this, I usually save it first, but with this program it automatically saves it. And if you're wanting it to share it to your professor or something, give your title a name. So you're going to do a project, and then if your professor or your teacher, what you're going to do is you're going to type their email in, and it will automatically send to them, so then you will not have to worry. Then there's also a link that you can share, so you can put it on a paper or reference, something like that, or send it on to an email if it's not working through attachment. So you press done after putting this person's email in, and then that should be it. Simple stuff you can make comments on if you're working in a group project, and basically it's really helpful because your partner will give you like a look on or a different view on a subject. It's really good. It's eye-opening. If you want to press the present button, this is going to start your presentation, so you can look at it, what's going to look like. So this is all the simple stuff to Google Slides. There's nothing more. If you get more detail, I feel like you can make more detail into your project once you get used to it. So it's really nice to like edit and make it look professional. So if there's any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching.